Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to use fade effect on a CapCut by iPhone or iOS. So here the fade effect is used to make the video like slowly appear or slowly disappear in the beginning or at the end of the video. So I already have the video on my project. I already have the clip. So how to make or how to add the fade effect? First thing we're gonna do is just click the clip until it is in active mode, and then if we can see on the bottom there is several features, and now we just need to go into the animations features, and then the in animations means the animation will be put in the beginning of the video, and then if you choose the odd animation you will gonna have an effect in the end of the video. Meanwhile the combo you will gonna have like both beginner or the ending of the video, and I want to put the fade effect on the beginning. So now just scroll the top of the effect on the left side, and then until we found a fade effect, and then we found it now, the fade in effect, and now just click it and then adjust it. The time of the effects will be applied on our video. I want it being like 4 seconds, and after that just click done if you're done with adjustment, and then let's have a check. So the clip slowly appear on the video. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.